Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making what I call liquid gold turkey wings. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Like always, I clean my turkey wings, then I brine them overnight in a salt, water, sugar solution, along with 2 jalapeno peppers for some heat. Pat your wings completely dry, then drizzle some avocado oil all over your wings. Add in some sea salt, coarse black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, Cajun seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, those twins, onion and garlic powder, and some sweet paprika and parsley. Now flip your wings over and season your wings on the other side with the same combo. Now look, our wings are nice and seasoned. I sliced 2 small onions and I added some butter on top of our wings. I don't have to explain what the butter is going to do to these wings. If you know, you already know. Then I sprinkled a little bit more black pepper on top. Grab your chicken broth and add 1/2 cup to your pan. Pour the chicken broth in the corner, trying not to knock over our seasonings, okay? We're going to bake these wings on the bottom rack on 375 covered for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the meat is falling off the bone. The last hour we're going to bake uncovered. Halfway through the cooking process, we're going to flip the wings over and baste them with some of that yummy juices and pop them back in the oven for an additional hour uncovered on the bottom rack. Now look at these. They are my crown apple candy wings infused with Crown Royal apple. Now if you're a Crown Royal fan, you're going to love these wings. They're a must-have. They are so delicious. You can find these wings recipe at everythingsmajor.com. Grab this recipe. It will be sent to your email or your phone. You'll have it for a lifetime, and that's what you want. While these wings continue baking, let's work on our liquid gold sauce. On low heat, grab 4 to 8 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning. The zest and juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of sea salt, some sugar, and parsley. We're going to cook this sauce on very low heat to get that gold color. Do not cook on high heat. We do not want any burnt butter, okay? Add in 3 tablespoons of honey and stir for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens. Then remove immediately from the heat because that sauce will get thick, okay? See what I mean? Ooh wee! Our turkey wings are done. I wish you guys can scratch and sniff your television. It smells so good. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with all your family and friends. Because trust me, they're going to want to take a bite or 2 of these turkey wings. Now this part is optional. I'm just adding the turkey wings into the sauce to let it marinate in all that liquid gold goodness. We really love lemon pepper over here, so I'm making another batch of that sauce again to drizzle on top of our wings. Flip your wings over so each side can get some loving. Okay, I was playing earlier, but really right now, scratch and sniff your television screen because baby, this is good. I put the wings in this glass baking dish. Now it's time to drizzle that liquid gold, and let's do it in slow-mo. Our turkey wings are done. We have extra liquid gold lemon pepper sauce. My Crown Royal apple wings are done. Remember, you can get this recipe at everythingsmajor.com. It's only one thing to do right now, family, and that's say amen and eat. I plated these wings with some jasmine rice, some cheesy baked collard greens, and brown sugar sweet potato. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys again real soon. Bye! Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.